Welcome once again to Amari Educates, where mathematics made easy. In this video, we're going to study factoring trinomials wherein the leading coefficient is not equal to 1. Usually, the method that we're using here is called the trial and error. But this time, what we're going to use is the slide and divide method. Let us see now our first example. Factor 2x squared minus 13x plus 15. Here's the solution, and the first step is to slide the first term to the last term and get their product. So, we will slide the 2 to 15, and the new expression will become x squared minus 13x plus 30. That is 2 times 15 is 30. Second step is to get the sum for the middle term and the product of the last term. We already have this discussion before, so let's find out what are the factors of 30 that will give us negative 13 when we add them. So let us see. So the sum of negative 10 and negative 3 is 13, which is the middle term, and the product of negative 10 and negative 3 is 30. So these are the numbers that we wanted to use. So far, the factor of x squared minus 13x plus 30 is, or are, x minus 10 and x minus 3. So let us continue. So this is our expression so far, or this are the factors so far. Now, we're going to have the last step, this third step, which is divide by leading coefficient. Remember that the original given is 2x squared minus 13x plus 15. And the leading coefficient is 2. So this 2 will be used to divide those numbers from our factors. So these are x minus 10, so we divide the 10 minus 10 by 2. And the minus 3 by 2. So this will look like this. So x minus 10 over 2 and x minus 3 over 2. This is not yet simplified, so we're going to simplify this. So this new expression will become x minus 5. And then since we cannot simplify this thing, all we need to do is to put the 2 in front of the x, so it becomes 2x minus 3. So the factor of 2x squared minus 13x plus 15, this is our original expression, or trinomial, will be this one. X minus 5 times the quantity of 2x minus 3. Okay? Now let's have one more. Factor 6x squared minus 5x minus 4. So let's proceed on our solution, and the first step again is slide the first number to the last. So we have here 6 times negative 4. The new expression will be x squared minus 5x minus 24. And then we do the sum for the middle term and the product of the last term. So let's determine the number that we need for negative 24. So let us check negative 8 and 3. So the sum of negative 8 and positive 3 is negative 5, which is the middle term. And the product of negative 8 and 3 is negative 24, which is the last term. So far, these are the factors. So x minus 8 and x plus 3. Okay? Let us continue. So what we're going to do again is divide by the leading coefficient. So this is again our original trinomial or expression, 6x squared minus 5x plus 4. And the leading coefficient is 6. So the same thing that we did a while ago, we will use this to divide these numbers. So we have here x minus 8 divided by 6, which is the leading coefficient, and x plus 3 divided by the leading coefficient, which is 6. So we check if we could still simplify them. So let us see. So the simplified form of this is x minus 4 over 3, and this one is x plus 1/2. Remember, if we could not simplify this, all we need to do is to multiply this here, the denominator there, and put this denominator in front of this x. So we have 3x minus 4, again we just multiply it there, and then 2x plus 3, again we multiply the 2 here, and then we're done. So the factors of 6x squared minus 5x minus 4 is 3x plus minus 4 times the quantity of 2x plus 1. See how easy it is? Now, let us see if you understand the lesson. Once again, we encourage you to pause the video so that you will have time to solve the following questions or problems. Let's have our first one. Factor completely 2x squared plus x minus 3. Pause the video, and the answer is the quantity of 2x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 1. Question number 2. Factor completely 3x squared minus 13x minus 10. Pause the video, and the answer is the quantity of 3x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 5. Okay, let's have our third question. Factor completely 6x squared minus xy minus 15y squared. Pause the video, and the answer is the quantity of 2x plus 3y times the quantity of 3x minus 5y. Thank you for watching. Remember to share it so others could learn. Please subscribe. Have a nice day, everyone.